10 Disney dogs with my good old Tsum friend called Lady. Hello. And yeah, so she's going to help me do the countdown. Last time I did top 10 Disney cats with Marie. And obviously this is top 10 Disney dogs. Obviously. It's so obvious. I know, right? You still have like a posh sort of accent on you, Lady. Posh sort of cool accent. Oh, so great. Anyway, let's get started on the list. So number 10 is... You need to announce it? Oh, sure. Number 10 is... Let me just read down a piece of paper. It is Stella from The Princess and the Frog. Thank you, Lady. Yeah. So is Stella from Princess and the Frog. Now, it's not just because I love the movie, maybe a little bit, but I thought that Stella doesn't really get a mention at all. But she's cool. Yeah, she's just cool, you know. She's like a greedy sort of dog, because she eats a lot of beignets, you know, yeah. She eats a lot. But I thought she was really adorable when she was little. I think she's a combination of Nana and another dog, which is already out there. You know Nana from Peter Pan? That's the one I'm referring to. Why do dogs have so human sort of names and stuff? Is like crazy. Dogs nowadays just have human names now. Anyway, so yeah, Stella is 10th on today's list. And the keywords to remember Stella by is cute, greedy, cute and greedy. And cute and awesome name, and yeah. Anyway, it's going to number 9. Okay, what is number 9, Lady? Oh, it is Percy from Pocahontas. Right. Now, Percy, you guys like, who's Percy? Okay, you know that dog in Pocahontas? It's him. The dog that the bad guy has. Except for, he's on this list because it is good, well at least in the end he is. Have you guys ever seen in Pocahontas 2? Yeah, he's like a true hero. Massive hero. Part of the family. Yes, they sort of bring him across to the family. And yeah, so I just think Percy's a pretty cool dog, and yeah, and I like the fact he doesn't just stay evil. Well, he wasn't really evil in the first place, I mean, like, stick to his master and follow his master. I'm glad he sort of wanted to be like more good and, you know, help Pocahontas and that, even though he probably really hates Miko. But you know, anyway, let's go over to number 8. Number 8, let's go. Okay, Lady, do the honors. Okay, number 8 is... Oh, I'm so happy. Why? Because it's me. I mean, like, I'm not really that happy because I'm so high. Why am I so high, by the way? But yeah, thank you for putting me on the list. Yes. Yeah, you're on the list. Yeah, apologies you're so high, but there are quite a other dogs that are pretty high. I don't really think you did that much in your movie. Yeah, sure, I did loads like the main character. But I thought these guys, like, they rescued their partners and stuff, and they went into fires and that. I rescued my partner. They like owners. And that was mostly your friends, by the way. Really? Really? Yes. Yeah, but I think that you are a stunning, beautiful, adorable dog who although she like wants to be perfect, she can never be perfect. And I like the fact because she didn't have to go to the dogs on the street, but you chose to because you're a nice sort of person. And by the way, I also love your collar as well. I know, it's just stunning. Yeah, so I just think you're really adorable, you've got a really push name. You're also very helpful when it comes to newspapers. Well, sort of. Anyway, let's go on to number 7. Number 7. Number 7 is Buster. And Buster, if you guys didn't know, is from Toy Story. Because, yeah, that's his name. And the reason for him being on the list is because he doesn't really get much of a mention. And as well, he like saves toys. And yet again, he is cute as well. Like all dogs are cute, especially Disney dogs. But I just felt that, yeah, he played a big part in Toy Story, in Toy Story 2, Toy Story 3, you know, right from the beginning. Even in the third one, well, he doesn't really do much in the third one. I mean, the second one, so the first one was when he was bored. But in the second one, yeah, he sort of saved toys. And yeah, I just think he's like a good sort of dog, because he also can talk to toys, which is pretty good. Well, he can't literally talk to them, but he understands them. If you get what I mean. Not very many dogs can understand their owner's toys. Can you, lady? No, really can't. Yes, yeah, magic dog. Anyway, we're now on to number 6. Number 6 is Indiana's lady. Okay, number 6 is Bruno. And that's from Cinderella. Yes, we've got Bruno down for 6 because one reason is he the one that could ride the carriage? You know, he's the foot person. I mean, a dog as a footman. Yeah, a dog that is a footman. Listen to that. A dog that chased away the evil cat. A dog that saved Cinderella from getting locked in. Well, not completely, but mostly with help from mice. I mean, that's way cool and awesome, epic dog. Yeah, because he does more than you think, guys. He does actually save Cinderella in a way to help the mice. And yeah, brave, awesome Bruno. And good on you, Bruno, for getting that nasty cat. Good on you. Anyway, let's now go on to number 5. Okay, number 5 is Bolt. Yes, and now I wouldn't have included Bolt, but because I included Buster, so Pixar films, you know, so I thought I could include him as well. No, Bolt isn't even Pixar anyway. No, just that is. It looks a lot like it. It's filming that, but quite a lot of people forget Bolt. But actually, yeah, he did quite a lot. He saved his owner from a fire. Can you believe that? Probably almost died. He saved his owner from a fire. He could be like a fire dog. You know, you have like police dogs. Fire. What do you call them dogs? You have like a police dog and a fire rescue dog. There you go. Fire rescue dog. He could be the next fire rescue dog. So he needs a bit of a mention, just a tiny bit. He's also incredibly brave. But what dog would just run into fire? Maybe a few do. But I mean, he had some skills there. Anyway, going on to number 4. Number 4 is Max from Little Mermaids. This is another one that not very many people remember. So, one reason is, again, he was in fire. yeah. Second reason, he brought Ariel and Eric together with that awesome smile of his. He was like, girl in his beach. I bet if Max didn't spot her, and then I bet he wouldn't have told Eric, and then I bet Ariel would just be trying to walk around, trying to find him, and yeah. So Max, you were a massive help there. And Jay, you were in fire. No, you weren't completely in fire. Eric saved you, but you're still in fire. Just in fire is cool. Yeah, as long as you don't die. And then also, what else did you put? Well, yeah, that's all to say about Max, really. And also, he is adorable. He got adorable, short. No, it's actually long curly hair. So cute. So cute. And yeah, and he's also Eric's friend as well, by the way. You guys not noticed, he's like always talking to him. Yep, friend. Anyway, let's go into the I'm just reading the next one casually. Yeah, but I'm a bit shocked. Why? He's hiding me. Who's hiding you? Tramp, who's number 3. Well, cool. He's amazing. I mean, maybe you could put us both together because the title of our movie is Lady and the Tramp. So it's like we're meant to be together at third. Sorry, lady. It's fine. But he's related to me, okay? So technically I've got bird. Technically I've got my eye on you. And you people like, I tell you what, let's do a vote in the comments. Lady or tramp? Lady or tramp? Vote in the comments. Thank you, lady. Anyway, so yeah, it's tramp for number 3. Tramp. Oh, my darling tramp. Okay, so the reason why it's third, okay, is because one reason he's a really cool dog. Second reason, he saves you because he rips that thing off around your neck and your nose and stuff. You mean like a horrible lead thing? Yes, they did that horrible lead thing. But technically, didn't the beaver do that? He just brought me there. If he didn't bring you there, if he didn't save you from his pack of wolves as well, well, they're not wolves. The pack of mean dogs. If he didn't save you from then you'll be chopped and eaten by them as well. So you need to thank him a lot, Saviour. And also, he gets quite mature in the second movie. Oh yes, he does, my darling. He gets so much more less of a tramp. I mean, he's really useful when it comes to stopping those evil dogs. Yeah, he's good. He's good. Yeah, he's just good, isn't he? Just pure good, nice, friendly face. Oh, like always getting into trouble. Well, not now. Not now. Now, where he's awesome. Okay, thank you, lady, for your little speech attaching onto it. Anyway, now it's time for number 2. Okay, number 2 is... okay, lady, oh no. Okay, number 2 is Dodger from Oliver and Company. Now, Dodger is in top 10s for one reason, because he's cool, but he's probably one of the most underrated movies because it is really good. Oliver and Company. I love it anyway. A lot of people don't, but I like it. I like it. Oliver and Company is good. So I feel like Dodger's up there for one reason cool. It's like one word rather. Also because he does save Oliver, I think. He does. I haven't seen his movie in ages yet. I think he does save Oliver. So it's also pretty amazing. And despite how much he hates Oliver leaving him, he says, go on mate, you're gonna live with your owner. And then, yeah, it's nice of him. Like thoughtful, you would say. So, yeah, Dodger's really cool. He's definitely one of my favourite Disney dogs, but not my favourite though. Oh, not my favourite. Anyway, that was number 2. Number 2. Now, As you know, there are a massive amounts of Disney dogs, including 101 plus, which is by the way why, guys, I didn't include any from that movie, because you know, and I'll explain it all later in a minute. So anyway, let me just finish my like sentence. Anyway, so basically, there's way too many dogs to count, and really hard to put into a list of 10. So many. There's even like one in Beauty and the Beast as well. It's too many dogs. But because of that, I'm going to do a honourable mention. I haven't used before, but I feel like you sort of have to in this list. So here are the honourable mentions. So I'm going to pass over to Lady to do all these basically, and I'll be back for number 1. Okay, honourable mentions. Right, Rekka's Creations has a list, so I'm just gonna go and grab that. Where's the list? Let me just think at the top of my head instead. Let's memorize the list. Stare to my brain. Not my brain, it's my fur, obviously. Right, Bob, think. Okay, so here are the honourable mentions I now remember. Or at least I remember a few, because execution told me earlier, right. These are in no particular order. The first one I'm going to honourably mention is the dog from Beauty and the Beast. I did not know its name. I should have really researched that before the video on my little dog laptop. I don't know, dog bone. Just like, yeah, should have borrowed my owner's laptop and researched that. But anyway, yeah. So that's not what I mentioned. The dog from Beauty and the Beast. Hint, the dog is the footstool. The dog is the footstool. Anyway, let's carry on. My next honourable mention is going to go to Nana from Peter Pan. Because poor Nana wanted to fly, but she couldn't. She just couldn't. And also because she is like a Nana for all the children in that, and she has to work so ever so hard, and then she just made a fool by their father, and she even gets sent outside. It just whoa. Next honourable mention is to go to let's put it at 101. This is on the list. 101 Dalmatians, every single one of them. Because one reason is, and the only reason, there are way too many dogs. You can't put 101 dogs on the top 5 list unless you only choose one of them. And that's impossible. It's actually not top 5, it's top 10, but you know, top 5 as well. It's like impossible. 101? You were expecting us to put 101 dogs to a top 10 list? Impossible. But if I was going to choose one or two, I'd probably go. If I was to choose a few, rather, I'd go for Patch. There's one called Reedy, and one, and then Pongo Verde. But that's impossible. That already takes up 5 spaces. It's yeah. Anyway, is there any more honourable mentions? Let me think. Let's do whiz back in time. Just gonna sort of think. Tell you what, look at my eye while I think. Nope, I'm out of honourable mentions. Anyway, I'm back over to you, Becca, and myself to announce them. Hey, I'm back, and the number 1 dog that me and Lady chose together. Yes, together. You're serious? I don't think we really talked about number 1. Let me just make it sound like we did. Anyway, so the number one that we chose was Doug from Up, because whoa, he's just awesome. He's so cute. He's like, just met you and you're now my owner, my friend, and it's just like, oh, so cute. And he can talk. Any dogs that can talk can definitely be on this list. I mean, other than 101 Dalmatians, was too many, but any other dog talks, and that's most dogs. But I mean, Doug is a talking dog. Yeah, well, a lot of them are talking dog, but he's the talking dog. And well, Russell says it's a talking dog. Let's just say in their world it's unusual to see a talking dog, so that if it's a talking dog in that world, it is awesome. And also he's really cute, and he like defends himself, defends his family, and he's a cute loyal pet, and he's just epic. Anyway, lady, are you happy with number 1? I am in over the moon. Over the moon-ish. Anyway, so yes, my number 1, Doug from the map. Okay, anyway, so you can like take a little bow, a little curtsy. Thank you, lady, and you've been such a great help today, by the way. Oh, thank you so much. But can I just say, you know, I should be number 1. Oh, I had this with Marie. This is like annoying. Sorry, but Doug's cute. He's a talking dog. Yeah, but I'm also a talking dog. Come on, you can't be first just because you're helping the video. You're my only dog, and plus you're awesome. Like, so awesome. Well, you're amazing. Yeah. So, yeah. Sorry, lady. I'm still number 1, you know. Tell you what, I'll play music instead to end the video. Ready? Play. It's just like the dance. Oh, I love my dance. My song. So romantic. Anyway, it's the end of today's video. Hey, I'm doing that announcement ending there. Well, I've just changed the plan, because I really want to find my DVD ending. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you agreed with all our top 10s and honourable mentions. Sorry if we missed out any, but we're going for the main dogs, the main epic dogs, and also Lady versus Tramp. Who do you say? Vote in the comments, and also yeah, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye. Hello, Dumbo. How are you? Dog and Kitty like run off. How are you doing? You're massive. Gosh, I wish I could give you a partner, but you're too big. Dear me, by the way, the elephant section is now complete. Have a good look. I'll do like an overview. Yeah, cause look, this is the white one. So look. And then look at the left one. Yeah, you guys get the point now, don't you? So yeah, a little less fluff, a little bit more fluff rather.